Hi all. Uh, we should meet at Hipokampus coworking Fethiye, but there was slight change of format. Uh, if someone from Hipokampus coworking is interested in in-person meeting, we could meet within this week in person to do this as well in offline format. For those watching online, thank you for expressing interest. You can uh, type questions in the chat. I will put example. This will be like here. Even if you will watch recording, you still can type questions in the comments, and we will see what you are asking, and then we can. Just a second. Yeah, it's all fine. Then we can answer it. So please feel free to type questions. Uh, and we are grateful to Hippocampus coworking here for interest to organize this meetup. And let me share my screen. If there will be questions, I will, when I stop presentation, after it will take around 10-15 minutes, we can discuss questions. This is opportunity for to share updates to all of the communities, uh, regardless of which part of the world you are located. If you are interested in learning software engineering, launching a startup, or maybe you are working professional in corporate sector, we have programs which might bring value to you, might be interesting for you. We are Google for Developers ecosystem. It's a global ecosystem. Uh, our regional team is responsible for Turkey, Central Asia, Caucasus. Also, there is Middle East and North Africa, but it's to the date, Barish is responsible for both regions. Barish is in Dubai office. Beza is responsible for Turkey and Azerbaijan, which are big engineering communities. And for Central Asia countries, responsible is me, Askar Aitov. Uh, Google for developers, it's first of all, it's communities of organizers. It can be any person who is interested in learning Google technologies, applying it, or interacting in any technologies for developers. Also, we have a large network because of we are talking about Turkey and Central Asia region. Here I put some pics of our latest events. This is on the left, top left, is Tashkent Dev Fest. There were 4,000 people subscribed to the event, and I think around 2,000 people came in person. In the center is picture with nice event from WomenTechMakers in Bishkek. On the right, you can see a huge DevFest Istanbul event, which was catching a lot of media attention. I think on the stage, it's Barish presenting. Barish, this guy on the left. Bottom left, there is event from in Astana. We are running several accelerators which are supported by Google for Startups. Two accelerators in Turkey, Game, Booster, and others. And there is recently launched one climate change accelerator, a big one in Middle East, and one in Central Asia called Silkway, which is partnering with local partners. In the top bottom, there is students. We also have student clubs, which is separate. Those I mentioned before, these four, these are run by professionals. It's called Google Developers Groups. If you are a professional, you can launch a Google Developers Group in your city, or you can join as a member if there is already one, or you can interact in many various ways. But if you are a student, you can launch a student club in your university, and it has some differences. For students, we run solution challenge hackathon with some money prizes, a little bit different. And we have a lot of programs for experienced developers as well, not only students, not only junior developers. If you're experienced, you can be a mentor, and Google will support you if you're working with Google's technology stack. There's just a few examples of existing Google developer experts in our region. Here is the map. For example, I actually didn't ask permissions of these people, so they might be complaining why you put our pictures, but still, I just put them today while I was preparing this deck. There's Nisanur, she's machine learning GD, she lives in Istanbul. Alexei is web GD, he's contributing to open source. He lives in Ural city in western Kazakhstan. And this guy, Mohammed, I don't know him, I saw him on the portal of the experts. He lives in Ankara. And regardless of place you live, regardless of your citizenship, for example, if you physically located in Fethiye today, and doesn't matter which country you are national, you can apply to become Google developer expert from Turkey if you're located in Fethiye. If you're located in, for example, Kazakhstan, you can apply from Kazakhstan. And we will help you to get to the program if you are qualified, and you can be mentoring people. You get invited to conferences by Google. This is called Google Developer Experts. Next program, it's we have range of certifications, study groups. Not because before in here I was talking about the community meetups, opportunities for people who want to organize meetups or who want to attend meetups and listen to learn new skills. Google Developer Expert is for mentors who want to teach other people's, well, not like academic teaching. I think I hope you understand what I mean. It's different type of mentoring. And third group of programs, if you want to acquire new skills in your own pace, if you want to get some certificates from Google directly, we have dozens and dozens of programs within Google developers for you. For example, machine learning, AI. It's a big thing. For Google, a lot of AI services are packed into Google Cloud services. And for example, one of the programs we run now, this is actually for Central Asia. In Turkey, we have, I think, Beza is running a different one in Turkey, but because I run Central Asian, I put screenshot from Central Asia. If you get, go to Cloud Skill Boost portal, subscribe there. Actually, not Cloud Skill Boost, you should go to this link. And if you, for each, you learn hands-on labs, which imitates real-life business processes of some international IT companies. Tasks, if you learn data engineering, you see data engineering processes. If you learn software, backend engineering, or AI, is correspondingly. And for each small lab, you receive badges. If you collect a lot of badges, we can provide internship from IT companies from Central Asia. There are Astana Hub, IT Park, Kyrgyz IT Association, Astana Hub in Kazakhstan, Almaty, Most Hub, and some others. For 20 learners, we can provide this in Central Asia. It's not from Google internship, it's from partners. You can go and learn it from this website. Sorry, that need to type a lot. I can actually put it to the chat link. Another one, Android, is a big thing. Actually, Barish told me that Google developers started from Android. It's same learning and certification, but for Android. By Android here, this program is dedicated to Compose Camp. It's making more efficient apps development with Compose. If you guys located in your city, you can go to GDG community website and look, is there a community in your city? If there is no community, you can create one. For example, in Fethiye, there is no community, you can apply to create Google Developers Group Fethiye. Or doesn't matter if you're in Zhezkazgan, for example, city somewhere in Central Asia, you can also launch GDG there. Or if there's already community, then you are also lucky, you can join it, or you can uh, as a member, or you can get involved in organizing meetups as well with existing organizers teams. We have strong YouTube channels. We have YouTube GDG Turk, I think it's called, for Turkey and Azerbaijan. For Central Asia, we have Google Developers Central Asia weekly online streams, meetups, content for you. Please go subscribe. Actually, you're watching from Central Asia channel today. This is just to sum up active ongoing program calls for students. I mentioned there is program for students. Applications for student leaders is ongoing for women technology makers as well, and for Google experts for mentors. Actually, this is final slide. This is my contacts. I am in LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. Askar Aitov in Telegram. Telegram is popular in Central Asia, also in Russian-speaking countries. It's Askar AI. Please contact me. Any questions? I'll be happy to answer questions, because sometimes online stream information is packed. Maybe I'm not perfect presenter as well, and we can discuss online via messengers. I am stopping to share my screen. Hi, Eldar. Great stuff. Oops. Yeah. Thank you for showing example how to type in chat. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask questions in the chat or in the comments afterwards. We can discuss it as well. Thank you for Ashraf Bey from Hipokampus for expressing interest in this stream. Actually, it should be in hybrid mode. I should come there, but if you're interested, I can come maybe on Wednesday or Thursday. We could have a live discussion. Please, guys, if you don't have question, I don't know what to broadcast, because I finished the presentation. Then we can finish early. I will wait for a couple of minutes. Maybe someone have questions. You can type in the chat. Okay, guys, then keep in touch online. Thank you for joining today. Bye bye.